Hey guys, this is Vivin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, hi, this is Vivin. So you can follow me on Instagram as well. So I do share about parenting tips and I do document my motherhood there. So you can go and check out the Instagram page as well. ಏನಿದು ವಿವಿನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಂಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಟುಡೇ. So today I'm going to share something which is, I think, very important for all new parents to know. So do watch this video to know what I'm talking about. Today I'm making this video to make you guys aware of this product which I feel every baby deserves it. We all know that kids' skin is very sensitive and delicate, and as I personally love using natural products for myself, I also keep looking for the similar kind of products for my baby as well. So in fact, searching for the organic stuff or natural stuff has become a hobby for me now. So ಇದೇ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ I came across this product called as GG bathing bar ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೋಪ್ is something which every baby deserves it. So I'll take you through the product and I'll give you an overview of that. I'm talking about this product. So GG brand has recently launched in India and the product is really amazing. It contains the goat milk. Yeah, you heard it right. It has goat milk, shea butter, cocoa butter and olive oil. So after using this product on my daughter and myself, I decided that I have to share about this product with you all and share the goodness of this product which is made in India. Let me show you how the product looks. Let's open and see this, okay? So as soon as you open, you can see some manual and some QR code cards. They sent a QR code. You can scan and read more about the brand and the product here. And they've sent a small manual on what they've used. It's a premium quality soap. So it has shea butter, it has goat milk, as I already mentioned with you guys before. It also has vitamin E, and we all know that how important is vitamin E for a good glowing skin. So you can read more about it when you open the box. And there's a small manual also that you need to keep this soap away from the kid, and what all needs to be taken care. Even the temperature of the water and all they've given. It's really nice and interesting. When you buy this soap, do have a read. So after that, the soap is nicely packed in this paper wrap. Before you open the pack, it is written that it is QC passed. So each soap is QC passed. It has a mild smell. I really like the smell. It is quite compact. You can hold it very easily in your palm. So ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಜಾರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. I really like the design. It's quite simple and nice. Fragrance is really good. I really like the fragrance. So this is all about the packaging. So now let me take you to the goodness of all. It's a soap-free formula and no harmful chemicals, which is also a moisturizer, and it also contains many natural ingredients. Goat milk is used for centuries to promote youthful skin, a very good natural resource to protect the baby's skin with its natural healing properties. That's why many people refer to goat milk as liquid gold. Shea butter is rich in tree nut oil to retain moisturizing effect for several hours. Olive oil protects the skin from dryness and helps to retain the skin smooth. Cocoa butter, its creamy texture, highly recommended for glowing skin of baby. Properties of oat milk can be used for healing purpose of diaper rashes. Listening to lots of goodness about this product, I'm sure you must be wondering what would be the cost of this soap. So the cost of the soap is 198 rupees. I got two of these from Amazon. It's a pack of two, and it did cost me 375 rupees. That means each soap did cost me around 187.5 rupees, which is, I think, quite reasonable for the goodness and the best ingredients that they have used. I think it is worth the money. For a person who is not familiar about the soap free formula, then I think you should listen to this. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸೋಪ್ ಥರ ಈ ಸೋಪ್ ತುಂಬ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ದೀಸ್ soaps are not so hard, so it tend to melt if this is in a wet condition. So make sure that after using this, the soap is kept in a dry area so that it doesn't melt, because if it comes under contact of water, it does melt like a butter. Okay, so make sure that you keep this soap in a proper place after using this. And also some like to use it in a creamy texture, then rubbing the bar on their body. Some like it to be like creamy. So if you like that texture, then you can keep it, there's no problem in it. Actual recommendation is lather the bar on your hand, gently apply it to the skin, rinse off, dry and snuggle. We recommend all the parents to use natural products to your babies, because their skin is very gentle and we really don't want to harm our babies, right? So if you're looking to buy this product, then you can buy this product online. I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can visit their page and you can buy the product, or as I mentioned before, I did purchase this from Amazon, so you can get this on Amazon as well. So this is an Indian product with American standards and I highly recommend it. I try to share about my experience about this mild and natural product bar, that's a GG bar. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do share about this product to your besties and guide the new moms about naturally available products. Thank you so much guys for watching. Lots of love to you and to your little one. Bye bye.